If you're tired of messy, uneven lawn edges, you're in the right place. Today, we're ranking the top 5 best cordless lawn edgers from worst to best, so you know exactly which one is worth your money. Let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER ED40L410. This is a solid choice for small yards or occasional touch-ups. It's compact, cordless, and super easy to use, making it ideal for beginners or homeowners who just want a simple, no-fuss edger. However, compared to others on this list, it does have some limitations. The 1.5 amp-hour battery doesn't last long, so if you have a bigger yard, you'll likely need to stop and recharge. That said, its adjustable cutting depth does give you some control over how deep you edge, and it's lightweight enough that anyone can handle it comfortably. The biggest downside? Power and battery life. If you're working on tougher, overgrown edges, this edger might struggle. It also lacks some of the precision and durability you'd find in higher ranked models. If you're on a tight budget or only need an edger for quick maintenance, this could be a good option. But if you want something more powerful, keep watching. There are much better choices ahead. Links to all the products featured in this review at the best prices are in the description below, so check them out. At number 4, we have the Worx WG163 GT 3.0, which is a 2-in-1 trimmer and edger. If you're looking for versatility, this one's worth considering. You can switch from trimming to edging in seconds, making it a great all-around tool for lawn care. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, with an adjustable head that tilts 90 degrees for those tricky spots. The command feed spool system means you don't have to manually adjust the line, and the PowerShare battery lets you use the same battery for other Worx tools. However, since this is technically a string trimmer first and an edger second, it doesn't have the same precision as a dedicated lawn edger. If you need crisp, deep edges, this might not be the best option. Also, like the BLACK+DECKER, it has limited battery life and may struggle with tough, overgrown edges. If you want a multi-purpose tool that trims and edges in one, this is a solid choice. But if you're looking for a powerful, dedicated edger, the next 3 options are way better. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Coming in at number 3, the CRAFTSMAN CMC ED40D1 is a definite step up from the previous 2. It has a larger battery, giving it slightly better runtime, and a 4-position height adjustment for more precise control over your edges. It's still lightweight at 8 pounds, making it comfortable to use, and it features an integrated edge guide that helps you keep your line straight. This makes edging much easier compared to the BLACK+DECKER or Worx models. The downside: battery life is still short. At just 7 minutes per charge, you'll need extra batteries for larger yards. Also, while it's stronger than the previous models, it still lacks the raw power of higher-end edgers. If you want something more precise than a trimmer-edger combo, but don't need heavy-duty performance, this is a good mid-range option. But if you need longer runtime and more power, stay tuned for our top 2 picks. Taking the second spot is the DEWALT DCED400B, and this is where things start getting serious. This edger is built for performance and durability, with a brushless motor that delivers more power and efficiency. Unlike the previous models, the DEWALT comes with a 7.5-inch blade, making it much better at cutting deep, clean edges. It also features an adjustable cutting depth up to 2 inches, so you can customize it to your yard's needs. The edge guide helps keep your lines sharp, and the adjustable handle improves comfort. Now, while this is a great edger, it's not perfect. Battery life is still limited, so for bigger projects, you'll need a spare battery. Some users also report that grass clippings tend to clog the blade, which can be frustrating. Overall, if you want a powerful dedicated edger, but don't need the absolute best on the market, this is a fantastic choice. But if you're after the longest battery life and the most power, our number 1 pick is the winner. And finally, our number one pick is the Greenworks ED40L410, and for good reason. This is the most powerful cordless edger on our list, thanks to its 40-volt battery and 4 amp-hour capacity. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, it outperforms everything else here. It comes with an 8-inch steel blade that's built to last and cuts deeper than any other model, up to 2.25 inches. It also features toolless depth adjustment and a debris guard, making edging both precise and hassle-free. The only real downside? It's heavier than some competitors at 9.6 pounds, and it comes at a higher price. But for those who want the absolute best cordless edger, this is it. That wraps up our list of the best cordless lawn edgers. If you want the best power and battery life, go with the Greenworks ED40L410. For a great mid-range option, the DEWALT DCE-D400B won't disappoint. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the best prices, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.